A lot of people are intimidated by making souffles, but they're really not complicated to make at all. And today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate souffle. Perfect texture, great chocolate flavor. Let's get this going. We're going to start with preparing our ramekins here. I just have some melted butter, and we're going to brush the ramekins with that melted butter. And this is unsalted butter. Make sure you get all the crevices of the ramekin. And then we're going to take some sugar and pour that into the ramekin and roll that sugar around so it sticks to the butter in the ramekin. And this is going to act as a crust for our chocolate souffle. It's also going to prevent it from sticking to the ramekin. Just pour the excess sugar into our other ramekin and repeat the process. So with our ramekins prepared, we could go ahead and make our roux. Just going to take a tablespoon of unsalted butter, add it to a saucepan, put it over medium heat, and add equal parts all-purpose flour, so another tablespoon of flour. Let that cook together about a minute or so. Start to whisk that together. And now our roux looks good. So to that, we're going to add half a cup of whole milk. Continue whisking that over medium heat for another minute or so until the milk thickens up. Make sure you get all the lumps out. You don't want any lumps of flour in there. And you can see the milk is thickened up. That's the consistency you're looking for. So now with our roux mixture still hot, we got 100 grams of dark chocolate here. I'm going to take that hot roux mixture and pour it right over the dark chocolate. And this is going to help melt the chocolate. Just fold that together until all the chocolate's melted and the mixture is homogeneous. And this is easier than melting the chocolate beforehand in the microwave or over a double boiler. Just take the hot roux mixture right over the chocolate and you kill two birds with one stone. So now that our chocolate's completely melted, everything's homogeneous, that's a good looking texture, we could add the rest of our ingredients to the chocolate mixture here. I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract, add a pinch of salt, and I like to add a pinch of espresso powder, and this is going to really bring out that chocolate flavor for this chocolate souffle. You can also add a pinch of cayenne pepper or chili powder here to give the chocolate souffle a distinct flavor. So that looks good. We'll add 1 egg yolk to our chocolate mixture and fold that in. Add some richness to our souffle. And this is pretty much all the ingredients for the chocolate souffle minus the egg whites obviously. We just have to whip our egg whites and then this will be ready to bake off. So we'll put our chocolate mixture aside, and I got 2 egg whites here in a large bowl. We'll add a pinch of cream of tartar. This is going to help stabilize our egg whites. On my electric mixer here, we'll start beating the egg whites. After a couple of minutes, they're starting to form soft peaks here. And now we can start to gradually add our sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we'll add that a little bit at a time. I'll continue whisking. We're going to do this until we have stiff peaks. Add the remaining sugar here. And this looks good. We got stiff peaks on our egg whites. We're ready to fold this into our chocolate mixture. So we want to do this in thirds. Add a third of our egg white mixture and fold that in. Just keep folding until you see no more egg whites. I'll add some more. You want to try not to completely deflate the mixture here. That's why we want to fold it in. And we can add the rest here. And this is our souffle mixture. This is ready to go. Make sure we have no egg whites visible in our mixture. And then we can bring back our ramekins and add the mixture in. We want to go about an inch from the top because these are going to rise. And you want to give them some room to rise up. Just carefully pour the batter in. This actually looks like I'm going to have enough batter for 3 souffles here. We'll add the rest in there. Now my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. We're going to pop these in for about 13 minutes. We don't want to overbake these. We'll set a timer, and we'll check on these. So after 13 minutes in the oven, this is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. We got some nice height. We'll just dust this with some powdered sugar, or you could dust it with cocoa powder. That's a good route to go. And you want to make sure you serve this immediately because it will start to deflate. Just get a spoon in here. I want to show you the texture of this souffle. Nice, light, airy, still hot. It's beautiful. And that's just how easy it is to make a chocolate souffle. You can see that texture. You can still see the steam coming off that. That is really perfect right there. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Really helps this channel grow and reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video.